We all have good memories about Christmas. We go to different houses and sing carols, and we also give sweets to our near and dear ones. The message of Christmas is that God became human for you and for me. In John chapter 1 verse 14 we read, "The Word became flesh and lived among us, and we have seen His glory as of Father's only Son, full of grace and truth." In the history we have seen people are searching for God, but here you can see God is in search of His people. The greatest joy of Christmas is that God is with us. In Leviticus chapter 26 verse 11 to 12 we read, "I will place my dwelling in your midst, and I shall not abhor you, and I will walk among you, and will be your God, and you shall be my people." Children of God, it was the promise given to our ancestors that the Savior will come to this world to save the people from death, sickness, and evil. As a result, thousands of years people were expecting for a Messiah, and finally, in the person of Jesus Christ, the Lord became one with us. He walked among us. He is our God, and we are His people. I wish you all a very happy Christmas. May baby Jesus bless you all.